At the end of the year, one of the things you might want to do is to delete all of your old Google Classrooms that we've just finished using to make room for next year's Google Classrooms. This is really a two-step process, and in this video, we're going to walk through those two steps. The first thing you're going to do is log into Google Classroom, where you'll see thumbnails for all of the different classes that you are either enrolled in as a student or that you are hosting as a teacher. The first thing that you'll want to do is to archive one of your classes. To do this, you'll navigate up to the Jelly Bean button in the upper right-hand corner of the thumbnail. When you click that, you'll see you've got three options: Move, Edit, and Archive. If you navigate down to the Archive button, what it will do is give you this notice that you are archiving this class. This means that you and your students will not be able to make any changes in this class anymore, but the class still exists. All of the work that's been turned in is there, just nobody can post any new assignments or turn in any work. If you'd like to archive your class, all you have to do is click this blue archive link, and you'll see that class deletes from your list of classes here. If you truly want that class to be gone, the second step is to delete it all the way. To do this, you'll navigate to the hamburger menu in the upper left-hand corner, and down at the bottom of this list, there will be a link called Archived Classes. If you click that link, you will then see all of your classes that have been archived with this little lattice work background showing that that classroom is not active. If you would like your classroom to be gone completely, including deleting all of those assignments and deleting everything that's in there, you can navigate up to the three Jelly Bean buttons right over here, and you can move down to either Restore It if you'd like to bring that class back live and active, or you can move to delete the class entirely. However, you may want to leave some of your classes as archived, because if you do so, you'll be able to reuse posts from those classes in the next year's classes. So if you teach 5 periods of one subject in a secondary setting, you might want to delete 4 of those periods, but leave one of them so that you can use the reuse post option and bring back old assignments that you used from the last year and instantly recreate those without having to do a bunch of work. If in an elementary school setting, instead, you have multiple classrooms, one for each content area, you may want to opt to archive but not delete those classes if you would like to be able to reuse posts in future school years. At the end of a school year, make sure that you archive all of your old classes, and then at the beginning of the next year, make sure to establish brand new Google Classrooms to start up a year with a fresh set of students.